Hello and welcome to another LTS how-to video. In this final video of our basic setup series, we'll show you how to use the playback feature to easily find and review your recorded footage. To begin, click the playback tab at the top of the screen, and on the left-hand menu, first select the camera you want to review by checking the box next to its name. Below that, use the calendar to pick the specific date that you're interested in. Once you've selected a camera and date, the timeline at the bottom of the screen will show you all the available recordings for that day. To find a specific moment, you can simply click and drag the time bar to jump to any point in the recording. You have full control over the video playback. You can pause on a specific frame to get a closer look, or just use the speed controls to watch and fast forward at 2 or 4 times the normal speed. This is very useful for quickly scanning through footage to find a specific event. And that's how easy it is to find and review your recorded video. This completes our basic setup guide. Until next time.